Welcome to Zhongshan SIRO Lighting Co., Ltd., your trusted partner for LED outdoor lighting solutions. With over 16 years of professional experience, we are a leading manufacturer headquartered in the heart of Zhongshan, the lighting capital of China. Our commitment to quality, efficiency and sustainability sets us apart. We specialize in providing a wide range of outdoor LED products to meet a variety of lighting needs, including LED street lights, floodlights, UFO high bay lights, garden lights, solar street lights and tower lights. Whether you want to illuminate a highway, a park or an industrial space, we can provide reliable, energy-efficient lighting solutions. SIRO Lighting offers factory direct pricing, quality assurance with C and ROHS certifications, and fast delivery time of only 10-20 days. We provide OEM and ODM services to customize everything from design to packaging to meet the unique needs of our global partners. We pride ourselves on our fully vertically integrated services from dyeing, casting to final packaging, ensuring you get the best value without middlemen. Choose SIRO Lighting to elevate your lighting projects with high performance, long-lasting LED solutions.